let's check which one is the best. Hi, I'm River. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
My patience for you is getting thinner. Don't care if you're lonely again. Just let me escape for a minute. I won't space, build myself a spaceship. Your gravity, but I won't be weightless. Suit up. I can't take this blast off.
It's not barbecue pizza, but it's not. It's actually barbecue. This is a very nice pizza, lah. Oh, that's my favorite. Hawaiian pizza. I like Hawaiian pizza.
Alright, you wanna try it?
Yeah.
Gonna bite? Okay.
Wow. Oh, it's too hot. Hey, don't just eat the barbecue sauce. Good. Share. Share. I love pineapples and pizza. Do you like Hawaiian? I'll give you some. Do you like barbecue? Yeah. I'll give you some. Here's yours. Here's yours. Thanks. Thanks. Good. Good. Yours is good than me. Yours is good than me.
Better.
Yeah.
Better, baby.
Better.
Yeah. Let's see. Can we have a look? Is it crunchy? No?
Do you know why I love Hawaiian pizza?
Why?
Because I love the pineapple filling in this pizza, inside the pizza.
There are fillings inside the pizza. Let's see.
I think I'm full.
No, you just ate this much.
I'm gonna eat mine. How about you? After this.
It's not spicy at all?
Is it spicy then? Like, is it spicy? No.
How does it taste like?
Cheese.
Cheesy? This one is cheesy?
Do you like cheese? Next round. Whoa! I eat the pineapple.
How does it taste like, Lee?
Okay. What does pineapple mean?
Pineapple is a fruit.
What? It's just a pineapple. Mango? This is a mango.
It's a mango.
What? I hate it! There's mangoes in the pizza. I like pineapples there.
So which one is nice? Nicer. The barbecue.
I like this.
You like
This.
the classified chicken?
No, that.
Oh, the rain outside.
Yeah.
Raining.
Yeah. I like winter day.
Have you tried? Have you experienced winter before?
No. But I have tried cold. Very cold in Genting Highland. And I want it now. I want to go to Genting Highland.
You want to go back in there?
Yeah. No.
Oh.
I like the fresh air. Mommy's favorite is always the pine tree.
You're done with it? That's it? Who's going to eat that now?
Hey, hey, this is yours. I got 3 more left. 4? No, I didn't got 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yours, I give you. I got 12 pieces for now. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I got 100. So I can eat a lot and so big tummy.
You got big tummy.
I don't want.
Why not?
I'm done of that.
Why? No, Mason! Nice, we still have this. Yes, please.
He doesn't want to eat the bread.
Yeah, you have to. Stop, please.
I want water.
You want one too.
No! Get the water right now.
No, you have to say the magic word.
Please. We got 5 more left. Eat. Yum, yum, yum. What? We got 5 more left. Yeah, 5. Do you know how I count?
I don't know.
2, 3, 5. What is 3 plus 3? 6.
That didn't count that way.
Lonely again.
8.
No.
What is 81 plus 81? Oh, I don't know. What is 8 plus 8? What is 18 plus 18? What is 81 plus 81? 81 plus 81? Yeah. 83? 82. 81 plus,
You doubled it.
I don't know.
8 plus 8 is what?
16?
16. 1 plus 1 is?
2.
So 160.
2. My hands are all sprinkly.
You're eating another slice.
What? I'm gonna win. I want to try it. I don't want to try it. We're done. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, not 6. 5. 4. 4. 5. Oh, 4. I mean 1. 1. I got 2 more left. I mean 3. I got 3 left. Yumma! So hungry. Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
Cool. To Daddy, I can give that. Daddy! I want to give you this pizza while I'm touching Coco's feet. Daddy! Get this pizza.
I'm gonna be up here a bit longer.
I can't even get it.
I'm loving this view, not thinking about you.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Cutting you loose into my new, not thinking about